asuntoskeittiö paimenportti.
Yes, the date is the 5th of July 2021. Here's Kenraalintie. One stake is here in Valkeakoski, Pirkanmaa, Finland. There are several floors here. We just found the code here. Let's see if we can get to the XSP and C also. We should be able to do it. Hopefully. This is actually, but the 1964, this is more rare because 1964 are not as common. Turned 55 years old in 2019. The serial number is VS507. Maybe this was early 1964. The best is to repurchase the photographs and 7 floors. And now let's run it. Amazing find. I also like the sounds in this one.
Same here. Tippaa kiva that maintained process on our practice.
And usually the machine on these type of ValmetSchlieren from the early mid-1960s don't sound so much when they're like second speed.
Yeah.
But this sounds, and this is interesting. That's why it's more amazing.
Yeah.
Stop the video here. Okay, so start here. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and let's try the DSC as well.
That's